Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys can tell by the title of the video we're going to be talking about none other than Dogecoin itself, give you guys my personal analysis on the price, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting as we go further into the month of May, which is honestly more than halfway done. And that's absolutely crazy to think that, we're already almost halfway through the year of 2024, which is absolutely unbelievable. But that's just how time goes. But if you're looking at the overall markets today, as we are approaching Friday morning, you are seeing, because of Bitcoin's minor retracement, the entire market is seeing a little bit of a pullback. And if you're looking at Dogecoin, down about 3.1%. But let's take a closer look, see what is happening with the price of Doge, and of course what we could be expecting. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to talk about a lot of things that are going on around Dogecoin, a lot of questions, and I'm going to share my, of course, opinion at the end of the day with you guys, and let me know down below if you guys agree or disagree. So if you're looking at the price, it's currently sitting at 15 cents, down 3.1% in both Bitcoin and USD compared. The reason as to why we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback in Dogecoin is due to the entire market seeing a minor pullback. But if you're looking at the market valuation for Doge, still above 21 billion to be exact, 21.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting just shy of $1 billion. So not bad at all. But the question that a lot of people have, especially the newcomers, and this is something I want the newcomers to really grasp and understand. All these articles that you read online are not the best articles in favor of the newcomers or even the holders. There are times you want to scare people. These articles want to scare people. Let's face it, we're in a bull market. And titles like these, whale moving $30 million worth of Dogecoin on Robinhood, this and that, can bring scare to newcomers. So we're gonna go over this, and I'm gonna share my thoughts with you guys whether or not this is gonna have a big deal. About 3 hours ago, this was posted, but let's take a look at it. So it says, according to data from Whale Alert, a whale transferred 200 million Dogecoin worth around $30.86 million to the trading platform Robinhood. This move is notable as it suggests the whale might be preparing to sell off a huge portion of its holdings. This could potentially introduce selling pressure and affect Doge's upward trajectory on the price charts. Let's face it, the overall market, we're still in the choppy levels, especially coming out of that massive pullback. And on top of that, if Bitcoin sees a little bit of manipulation, that is not going to help anything. So, we're still already in this downwards trend. And, these articles definitely don't help. But guess what? This happens. This does switch the sentiment. Whales, the ones that are sophisticated investors that know how to, trade based on other people, the majority people that are part of the community, based on their emotions, they can really take advantage of this. So in the broader scheme of things, it doesn't really matter. We're in a bull market. $30.86 million. Sure, even if this were to be sold on the market, maybe a market dump, I think, there is still a lot of demand for this to be bought back up very quickly. So, this is why, number one, you don't want to be leverage trading, because if you were leverage trading, your positions could be wiped out of a $30 to $100 million trade. If someone just decides to spot dump it, yes, that can affect that. So those are some factors that you need to consider. But I'm not too worried about this. Obviously, you don't have any right to say, why is this person taking profits? Because again, let's face it, as far as Dogecoin is concerned, in terms of market cap, it's the king of the meme coin market, without a doubt. It has that first mover advantage. The reason as to why meme coins even exist to this day, the reason as to why you see a $55 billion market cap for the entire meme coin market is all due to Dogecoin existence, and it has that first mover advantage. So, maybe this whale was an early investor on Dogecoin, and he or she has every right to lock in profits. Maybe they're looking at a different opportunity. Maybe they think there's going to be another asset that is going to outpace Dogecoin in the upcoming few months, because let's face it, $21 billion market cap. Maybe there is a coin that they like, or coins that they like, that they could dollar cost averaging rather than just staying with Dogecoin. And again, we have no right to say what they should be doing. But anyhow, that's what I'm personally thinking. but I don't think of that as much. You really need to understand the magnitude of Dogecoin. Of course, people come out and say, oh, crypto ZX, why is Wen token, or why is like, Myro, Ma coin, Joe Bowden, Mega, this one, the list goes on and on. Bonk, Floki, why are they going crazy, and Dogecoin isn't? Well, if you look at the market cap difference between all these coins, there is a day and light difference with this. And I think a few years down the road, even in the next 12, not even 12 months, I think in the next like 10 months, as you guys know, my personal projection for this entire market, as far as the bull market goes, I think 8 months left at most, maybe 9. Based off of historic price patterns, there's going to be a lot of coins that are just going to be gone. And 99.8% of them, in my opinion, will be gone. But I think Dogecoin has that first mover advantage and will be here to stay. You can literally look at it just based off its market cap, $21.6 billion. That's almost half of the entire meme coin market combined. When you realize that, things really make sense. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So if you're looking at, BTC, so Bitcoin did see a little bit of a minor pullback today, and this was the reason as to why we did see the overall correction. Dominance has gone up a little bit as well, obviously due to this Bitcoin minor pullback. But let's take a look at our good old friend Dogecoin's chart and see what is happening. So if you're looking at Dogecoin has made its way back below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And of course, we fell below this key support line, obviously, when the entire market did take a little bit of a cool off. But since then, you guys can see the price of Dogecoin has been trying to get back in the 78.6, but of course that resistance is coming in its way, and as of now the buying pressure is just not as high as you want it to be. But with that said, if you picked up some Doge at this 12 cents mark, around the dip, you are up right now 26%, and we're talking about the largest meme coin in the meme coin market. So so far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing, but of course, a lot of resistance coming in its way. I'm not surprised that, we're having a little bit of a hard time, but in order for you to kind of get the confirmation, I think you do need to see BTC going up to $67,000. I think if Bitcoin is able to cross the 67K resistance, I have a feeling we will start heading back up to this 18 cents price point for Dogecoin really, really fast. And of course, one step at a time. As of now, we haven't really heard anything from Elon Musk. Of course, Elon Musk was a huge catalyst behind Dogecoin as well as the entire meme coin market last bull market. But as of now, we haven't really heard anything, or obviously the rumors that we have been talking about, that potentially the integration with X, but as of now, no confirmation about that. But totally good. I think it's totally good. The more it's not dependable on Elon Musk, I think the better it's going to be. But that's the target I'm looking at. We need to be in the 78.6 fib zone, but so far so good. I'm looking at the bigger picture. Things are looking good, and I'm very excited to see what Dogecoin will do in the next few months. I have a feeling it's going to shock a lot of people, but again, that's my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.